In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then Autofill. Autofill with Google. And Passwords. Now just tap on any password that you wish to check, enter your screen lock, and click on eye icon next to it to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!